The Academy of Visual and Performing Arts, AVPA, housed at Chopticon High School, is a pathway that strives to support our talented youth who excel in the arts. There are 5 areas of focus, including theater, band, chorus, visual arts, and orchestra.
So AVPA at Chopticon High School is an opportunity for students to get more opportunities in their art discipline, right? So we have visual, theater, orchestra, band, and chorus that they can choose from, and it's an opportunity to get a little bit more one-on-one instruction, find some differentiated assignments that they can work on, while at the same time really pushing our students to become the best artists that they can be in whatever area that they are in.
I saw a big flyer about it, in 8th grade, looked at it, thought, I love music, this has got to be the place for me.
What's been really great is that I've met a lot of new people that love to sing just as much as I do, that I would never have met had I not done AVPA or come here.
The way AVPA works is they basically get put into a class in their discipline. So, for instance, the AVPA Art 1 students take a class at the same time as regular art students. So it fits directly into their schedule because they have those classes that they meet.
I've learned definitely a lot of different ways to use mediums, especially in painting. I've learned multiple different types of paint that I didn't even know of when I came in.
Taking more advanced classes in their cohorts allows the students a chance to bond with other students with similar interests.
I chose AVPA because it was advertised as more for people who are advanced in music, and I really wanted to propel myself in music in the future.
I get to meet other people and I have met other people who enjoy the same interest as me, and I get to share that with them, and we have something in common, and it's helped me to really gain social skills.
Along with gaining new friends, AVPA has specialized field trips and seminars that students attend to meet with artists and gain industry knowledge.
There is AVPA exclusive field trips, like going to the Kennedy Center to see plays, and we also go on field trips to compose.
You also have these fun trips you can go on, and you could have more experiences, more offers, and it's very fun.
Even if students are not going into the arts as a career, they are learning valuable life skills for any chosen career.
We want students to be passionate. Doesn't mean they have to go into that field in the future, but they want to develop their skill. They want to develop their craft.
I feel like AVPA has really helped me with even things such as time management, especially being in theater and being on stage. Definitely have helped me with my public speaking.
I would tell you to take that jump. It's honestly the best decision I've made in my high school career.
For more information, please check out the website at www.smcps.org.